Hi, it's Kathy the Crafty Chica, and I'm going to show you how to carve a pumpkin. This is super easy. If you're like me and you don't like carving pumpkins and want to find an easy way to do it, here is the trick. So I did this Facebook Live for Hubie Halloween when it came out on Netflix, and I thought it was so easy carving this pumpkin that I would share it over here. So this is the trick. You want to get this big tool called the colossal carver. Don't use the little tools. Use this one, this big one right here. Yes. And in addition, you want to get a dry erase pen and a scooper like this. It's serrated on one side and then it has the little grooves on the other, so you can easily scoop all of the gunk out of the inside of your pumpkin. I'm keeping this really simple. I didn't even use a template. I just used the dry erase marker and I drew a circle all around the top so that I could cut that to get started. Once I did that, I took the colossal carver. Make sure to cut this away from you. Another tip about cutting pumpkins, you really want to wait until Halloween day or maybe the day before, because they do get old really fast. You could just decorate it, paint it, and then when it comes to Halloween, then you can go ahead and carve it. So use that little scooper to take everything out. I line my work area with a plastic bag so I can clean up the mess. And once you're done and you like how it looks and the inside is all cleaned out, it's time to do the face. Again, I am just eyeballing this, no pun intended, but it's kind of cute. I just drew on some happy shaped eyes and a big smiley mouth because I'm a wimp. I don't like scary Halloween stuff. I like happy, cute Halloween stuff, but not too cutesy. Anyways, cut away from you, use the colossal carver and cut it all out. Now I use this tool on 3 different pumpkins. This is not sponsored. I just found a tool that worked for me. It changed my pumpkin carving game because I used to hate carving pumpkins because the tools would always break and I didn't want to use those big fancy tools. Anyway, go through, cut out all of the pieces of the face, pop them out, and then you're going to go in and trim up all of the different edges. Clean out the inside one more time. Again, this is super easy. Once you get confident with this, then you can level up and do some more detailed designs. And I got so confident, I went ahead and did an extra pumpkin and I popped in some cute little plastic teeth. So I hope you like this pumpkin carving tutorial. I hope it helps change your life for the better. Check out craftychica.com for even more tutorials and my movie review. Thanks guys, happy Halloween!